Hey you guys, so I wanted to show you all how to use Edulastic, which is the resource we're going to be using to submit assignments during online instruction. So to get started, you're going to come up to the address bar and you're going to type in edulastic.com. And when you type that in, it should take you to this web page right here. And on this web page, in the upper right-hand corner, you should see this button that says Log In. So you're going to click on Log In, and it should open up a new tab for you. And this is where you're going to log in to Edulastic for the first time. And when you log in, you are going to type in your Commerce email, whatever email that is. So the email I'm using is a little bit different. You will type in your Commerce Tigers email, the same one you use to get on Google Classroom. And then for the first time you log in, your password is going to be Tigers, all lowercase Tigers. And then after you've typed in that password, you're going to go ahead and click Sign In. And once you've done that, it should open up a home page for you. And on that home page, you'll get to your dashboard, which you see up here in the left-hand corner. And then it'll be this page with all of your active assessments. So these are assignments that I've assigned to you that you need to complete. So the first one you're going to have is this introduction to Edulastic. And it's going to have your class period. So whatever class period you're in, it should show up right there. If it shows up with a different class period, that means you're not in the correct Google Classroom class. So go back and look at Google Classroom. Make sure you're signed into the correct class period. If you are not, then please give me an email so I can give you the correct Google Classroom code so that you're able to access your own class's assignments. So just to show you what this first assignment would look like, you can come over here where it says Start Assignment and click on Start Assignment, and that'll open up the assignment for you. And it has the questions here for you. It will give you one question at a time. So notice up here it says question 1 of 5. And then it gives you your instructions. So this one says use the math toolbar to retype each of the following expressions. So part 1, we want to retype 2 cubed. And then these blanks right here are for your answer. So you're going to click on that. And when you click on it, it will pop up this math toolbar for you to use. So you'll use a combination of your keyboard on your computer or on your phone and this toolbar that it pops up for you. So to type in 2 cubed, I need the number 2, and then to do a power, this little box right here looks like it might give me a power. So I click on that, and then it allows me to type in a power. Once you're done, you can click Insert, and that will add your assignment there for you, or your answer there for you. So you'll work on this. You can skip a question and come back to it. You can click on Next, and it will take you to the next question. And you'll go through and do all of the questions. So there's different types. There's some drag and drop. There's matching. If you come over here and click on where it says question 2 of 5, you can actually skip over a different question. And notice back here, question 1, it says I attempted it. I could go back and come back to it and rework it later. So if I'm not sure, I can skip it and come back. I could also click this button to flag it so that I know when I come back that that's one I wasn't sure about. So I know I want to come back and answer that one again. And once I know what my answer is, I can unflag it. And when you get to the very end, question 5, if you are ready to submit it, you'll click this submit button. If you skipped over a question though, make sure you go back and answer one of the other questions. So if you want to get started on assignment and not finish it, you don't want to submit it, you can click this save and exit button in the left corner. And that will take you back to your home screen. It'll show you that your assessment or your assignment is in progress. So you can start some work and then save it for later and come back to it when you're ready. So that's one of the features, is just taking an assessment, doing some assignments on here. So I'll have some of those for you to work on. You can also do a skill report. Over here, once you do your first assessment, it'll tell you how you've performed, what you need to work on still. And then you can look at this Manage Class button, which will allow you to look at some of your information. So that's pretty much it for Edulastic. So if you've got any questions, please let me know, and we can work through how to use it together. But make sure you get on Edulastic and do this first assignment for me.